Material needed: 3 ply yarn with 3.5 mm hook, needle and scissor. First we have to make magic ring. In this we have to make 16 single crochet. Let's make together, grow together. After single crochet, slip stitch to the first stitch to make the pistil of the flower. That's baby pink color, cute pistil. Now fasten off the yarn. It's time to make petals for the flower. For petals we have to insert new color yarn. Here I am using yellow color yarn. Using slip stitch or single crochet chain, attach the yarn. Now make 3 chain. This 3 chain work as a 1 triple crochet, means first triple crochet. Here we have to make total 4 triple crochet. 1 triple crochet, this 3 chain will work as 1 triple crochet. Now other we have to make 3 triple crochet. This is first. Now second. Now third. Three triple crochet ready and 1 is of chain, total 4. Now 3 chain. To end up the petal we have to make 3 chain and slip stitch with the next to next stitch, means skip this one, this stitch skip, then in next stitch we will slip stitch to complete our petal. Our petal is ready. Like this we have to form all the petals, means total flower is of 8 petal, remaining 7 petals we have to make like this only. 3 chain, 3 triple crochet, 3 chain, then slip stitch next stitch and skip next stitch and slip stitch to the next stitch. This is the full set of a petal. After making all the petals, on last stitch we have to slip stitch to the first stitch like this. Slip stitch. Our flower is ready. Fasten off the yarn. You can use this flower on the clip as well. It will work as a flower clip. Now it's time for band. Band base. First slip knot. This is the tie band, not elastic band. So for tie we will make 50 chains on both sides, but first we will make on one side 50 chain. After making 50 chains, we will continue for another 60 chains. Why? Because we have to make the base center part, which is wider than the hair tie. After making 60 chains, we will skip first chain and single crochet on the second chain till the 60 chain. Single crochet all around. Then one chain, turn and row 2 single crochet on all the stitches. Likewise, we will continue single crochet all the round for the thickness on the same stitches till you achieve your desired thickness as much as you want for the flower. If your flower is like me, I have made of 8 petals, then you will be around 5 to 6 rows, as I have made 6 rows. Rest you will make as per your desired thickness. Our base is ready. Now for the other end we have to make chains 50, same as before for the hair tie. Our base band is ready. Now it's time to sew the flower like this. I have stuck it to the side corner, not in the center. So we will take 3/4 or side corner and then sew it. If you like my pattern, if you like this video, if you like the tutorial, please do subscribe my channel for amazing and unique crochet video on every Thursday. Thank you so much for being part of my YouTube family. Thank you so much. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe. Thank you.